Hello folks, this is Steve AB4EL. Look at this next to the AT&T. They've done more framing in. Let me go around the back side. And this is within just the last couple of days, because a couple of days ago I was looking at that truck with the stakes. It's at the front parking lot. Now the sun's in our eyes, but what we're seeing here, let me get into the shade. We can see that it's been framed in. We can see that there's a door over on the left. There'll probably be a main entrance right here sticking out in the middle. Hang on, there's nobody behind me. That's some kind of opening, and as it goes kitty corner, there's another. It's probably going to be like a display window, and of course there's going to be something opening in the front. And what we can also see is that some of the framing is for the inside also. So it isn't just framing the exterior and up above the roof line, it's also the interior. And what do we think the facade's going to be? Can we guess? What's the facade on the building next to it? Bricks. It's interesting that these are a different color brick. I don't know if that was intentional. Make it stand out. Do you think they got enough bricks there to cover it? So this is a progress note on that just enough room building addition on the edge of that lot. Steve AB4EL, going to go shopping over here, but being nosy about the construction, saying see you in 73. Okay folks, I finished my shopping at Aldi's, got my kettle chips. This is another angle coming at it, a different angle. You can see all the aluminum work that they put into it. Ah, man, get out of the way. Get out of the way, man. A lot of bricks. Where's the bags of cement? Steve AB4EL. Just having fun. Saying see you in 73.